How to Become Millionaire. It's a title you may have never dreamed you could ever give yourself. What if you could? I want you to envision yourself as a millionaire. Imagine all the good you could accomplish in the world. Dream of the possibility. Believe you can become one. It actually could be simpler than you think. You're rich already, but don't stop there. Here are 5 easy ways to become millionaire. 1. Work smarter and harder than your competitions to win. Identify your competition. How hard are they working? What are some differentiators you can bring to your workplace or market? Start by working smarter. There's no use in working harder if your work isn't effective at producing income. You'll be spinning your wheels. Work harder than others are willing. We've all seen the guy or gal at the office who works harder than anyone else. Maybe they're a little nerdy or a little too interested in their job, or are they? Why most failed? Why? Because they weren't willing to put in the hard work required. 2. Quickly learn from all of your mistakes and move on. Everyone makes mistakes. I do, you do, they do, we all do. And believe me, I've made some pitiful mistakes. Mistakes are difficult to swallow. I think our first gut reaction as human beings to the realization we messed up is to shift blame to others or to circumstances. The very best way forward is to admit we fumbled the ball. Are you willing to admit when you make mistakes? 3. Learn to start budget. If you don't budget, I promise you'll lose money to overspending. Want to make yourself sick? Count up how much you're spending on eating out, clothing, gadgets, and other delights and write it down. Then, start budgeting. After a year, look at how much you're spending and compare with your initial count. A hugely important part of budgeting is ensuring you're spending less than you're making. And the only way to do that, friends, is to track everything. 4. Start investment. Millionaires many times become millionaires and stay millionaires because they invest. Just start somewhere. It's okay if you don't have a lot of money to invest right away. Also, once you start investing, don't abandon the ship. The stock market has its ups and downs. Just ride the wave. Think long-term and stay positive. 5. Don't believe discouraging and negative people. As soon as you accept that you're not going to become a millionaire, you probably won't. You'll settle for the ordinary. Your beliefs about your future matter a whole lot, and will in part help determine your future. When you listen to discouraging people, you're letting them accomplish their goal to drag you down and ensure you don't surpass their success. No good. Instead, I suggest you prove them wrong, but be humble about it. Your results will speak louder than your words, I promise you. I hope you liked the video. Please share your feedback with us in the comment section. If you share the video, we will be very thankful for that. Stay blessed and wish you best of luck in your life.